Here we have another simple calculus problem. We are going to solve it by substitution method. As you can see, integral of 0 to pi sines raised to the power 5x by 2 into d of x. Now we can split the 5 into 1 plus 4 as this. Now as we know, if powers are adding together, so we can split the bases into multiplication like this. As you can see, sine 4x divided by 2 into sine x by 2. As we know that 4 can be written as sine square x by 2 into whole square, and the other stuff will remain same. As you know that sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, so we can write sine square x by 2 as 1 minus cos square x by 2 into whole square. Now we are going to apply the whole square formula, and we will get 1 square plus cos 4 x by 2 minus 2 cos square x by 2. As you can see that sine x by 2 is going to multiply with the bracket, so we will get sine x by 2 plus cos 4 x by 2 into sine x by 2 minus 2 cos square x by 2 into sine x by 2 d of x. Now we can split the integral to each plus and minus sign, and we will get integral 0 to pi sine x by 2 d of x plus integral of 0 to pi sine cos 4 x by 2 into sine x by 2 d of x minus 2 integral 0 to pi cos square x by 2 into sine x by 2 d of x. Now let u is equal to cos x by 2, and derivating with respect to x, we will get minus sine x by 2 into d by dx of x by 2. And as we know that derivative of x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, and by rearranging the equation we will get minus 2 du is equal to sine x by 2 d of x. So we will put the values in our equation now we will put the values in our question, and we will get integral of 0 to pi minus 2 du plus integral 0 to pi minus 2 u for du minus 2 integral 0 to pi minus 2 u square du. And as you can see, we have to change the limits. So as we have already supposed that u is equal to cos x by 2, so by putting x is equal to pi, we will get cos pi by 2, and which is equal to 0. So we can say when limit x approaches to pi, we have u is equal to 0. Same as when we put x is equal to 0, we will get u is equal to cos 0 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. And it's mean that when x is equal to 0, u is equal to 1. By putting the limits, we will get minus 1 to 0 integral of minus 1 to 0 minus 2 du plus integral 1 to 0 minus 2 du minus 2 u for du minus 2 integral 1 to 0 minus 2 u square du. Now after integration we will get minus 2 u 0 to 1 minus 2 u power 5 divided by 5, and the limit 0 to 1, and respectively we will get 4 u cube divided by 3 into 1 to 0 to 1 limit. By applying limit, we will get minus 2 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 minus 1's whole power 5 divided by 5 plus 4 into 0 minus 1's whole power 3 divided by 3. After calculating the power, we will get plus 2 by 5 minus 4 by 3, which is equal to 16 over 5. So our solution is 16 over 15.